Morning guys. For today's video ay tayo ay naglalakad papunta tayo sa farmers market. Yeah. Yes. Really? Ayun, gossip na naman si Mr. Kakairita. I want to take this is ayun, very nice. Ayun, ito yung park dito guys. Ako napapansin. Yeah, very nice. Advent ha? Yes, kung napapansin nyo, wala pang snow guys. Kasi sa linggo pa sila mag-i-snow dito. Why, very clear the water. Oh, hi, very nice. Oh my goodness. Oh, yung tubig ang linis ah. Advent. Yes, Advent. Lalakad lang kami. Papunta doon sa ano. Kasi yung mga farmers market guys. Yung parang galing sa atin sa... Never I seen. I never first time. Okay, darling. I wait you here. You going? Yeah. Ang linaw ng tubig ha. Malamig talagang. Hanggang ng tao dito sa kanila talagang peacefully ang life, no? Ayun. Ayun guys. Aray, aray, aray. No, grabe na tayo sa mga aray. Oh. Yan. Ang ganda dito talaga. Talagang super. Makikita nyo guys. Ayun. Talagang pinahalagaan din nila dito ang Christmas sa mga public places. Right? Very nice. Can you imagine the water is from the middle of the stone?
Yeah, they drill a hole.
They drill the hole and they put the pipe, no?
Very simple.
Very simple. Simple.
Always nice. Look nice, huh?
They look very nice. The last time is not like this, no. The last year. They make good. They make also walking path. Very good, very good. Okay.
Oh, this one I never see. Bank runs in the middle, huh?
Yeah.
Electric light, see?
Yeah, electric. This, I think this one in the night automatic on, no? There is a light. Okay. Alright, let's go. Kasi sa linggo guys, mayroon na tong snow. It's not open yet? Oh my God, why we so early? No problem, no problem. We are going to walk. We just exercise, darling. We need to. Exercise in the morning is more good. Yeah. So, makabili na kasi ng mga mushroom, no? Mushroom. Yan. Okay. Shane. Ang sabi nga yan sa kanila, Shane is beautiful. Shane. Nice. Okay. Bye guys. Dito na muna tayo. Hanggang dito na muna ang ating video. Kasi malapit na tayo doon sa... Kukuha ko ng video doon para makita nyo kung paano yung night market. Farmers market dito. Bye guys. Have a good day. Good afternoon sa Pilipinas. Good evening sa anong kayo na at dito sa good morning. Guten Morgen. Yes. Bye guys.